In this video, I'll teach you how to upload your image or video from your gallery to the Capcut app, how to crop and adjust your image or video, how to duplicate, and how to change aspect ratio for either YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, any of the ones you prefer. Now, before I start off, guys, if you're new to my channel, you're welcome. Please don't forget to subscribe, and if you're a returning viewer, thank you for coming back to watch this video. Now, guys, first off, you have to go to your Play Store or Google Store, whichever one you're using. You have to install the Capcut app, Capcut Video Editor. As you can see, I have already installed my own, so all I want to do now is to open it up. After installing from your Play Store, when you open up your Capcut Video Editor app, this is how it will look like. You see all this interface. If you click on expand, you'll see a lot of other things you can do using the Capcut app, but we are not going to be using all of those features up there, so we'll click on new projects. When you click on new projects, it will show you your gallery, your videos, and the images that you have on your gallery for you to select which one you want to use to create your video. Now, if you look up here, there's a section for photos and there's a section for videos. Now, let's say we want to use a video first before we add photos. Now, we'll go to this section for videos and select the video that we want to use, and now we go to photos. Now, it's two ways. It's either you use only the video. Let's say you want to edit only the video, you don't want to add images. All you do is to click on add one. But since I want to add other images because it's a celebrity gist, because my niche is about entertainment, I have to add the full gist that I'll be giving to my fans. Now, I'm going to click on the next image I want to put. Guys, as you can see, it has added, so I'll just click down here where you see add to. Now, this is what it looks like. The reason why it's looking like this is because it was a screen recorded video. I went to this person's page and did a screen record. So I'm going to work on everything, every single detail in this video. Now, guys, I have uploaded the video that I want to work with, and this is what it looks like. Now, if you scroll to the ending, you're going to see the image I added. This one right here is an image, while the one in front is a video. Now, let's go straight to working on our video. The first thing you want to do is to crop this video because it's not looking presentable like this. It's not looking fine, so we'll go ahead to crop it and cut off all the extra parts that we don't want. And to do that, when you look down here, you see all these icons where you have edit, audio, text, overlay, and the rest of them. Now, all I want to do is to click on the video that I want to crop. Now, you see another set of icons came out. We have splits, we have speed, animations, and the rest of them. So you just scroll to the left. Now, you see transform, you click on transform. You see resize, you click on resize. Now, guys, we're about to crop this video and take away the unwanted parts, all the sections and the parts that we don't want in this our video. So you take your time and crop it. So, guys, perfect. I have done that. Guys, that is how to crop and resize your videos or images on the Capcut app. Now, let's move to the image that we added. We need to crop this one as well. You now scroll to transform, resize, and you crop it. So, guys, that is how to crop your image or video on the Capcut app. Now, the next thing we want to do, because I'm into the entertainment niche, and what I usually like to do is to explain what this video is about using a voiceover to my viewers before I allow the main video to play. Let's say this is the video where the Nollywood actress came out to say a lot of things to her fans and viewers, and I want her fans and viewers to also hear what she said. So I want to do a little voiceover in the beginning of the video so that I will not allow what she said to play out. Now, the next thing I'll do is to duplicate this video. That's to make it two, and one is the one I'm going to use to do my voiceover, while the other one is the one I will allow viewers to listen to what the actress came out to say. Now, to duplicate your image, you click on the image, you scroll the icons down here to your left, you scroll to the almost the ending, and you will see duplicate. All you have to do is to click on the duplicate icon, and guys, as you can see, it's now two. This video is two, it has duplicated. So this is what I am talking about. Now, the first one is the one I'm going to use to explain to my own viewers what this video is all about. Now, guys, the next thing I'm going to teach you to do in this video is how to change aspect ratio, change the size of your video. As you can see, the way this video is, it's in a portrait form, and YouTube, if you want to upload to YouTube, you need a landscape form. So we are going to change this video and image to a landscape. Now, you click on this back icon. Now you look down here, these icons down here, you see aspect ratio. You click on aspect ratio and it's going to bring out a lot of them that you can choose from. Now after this first one that is already on, that is showing original, the next one is the ratio for TikTok videos. Let's say you want to post this on TikTok, you can pick this 9.16 ratio. That's for TikTok videos. Now the next one is if you want to pick for YouTube. You see this YouTube icon here, the 16.9 ratio. This is the YouTube ratio. As you can see, when we clicked on it, the video became in a landscape form. This is the main YouTube ratio. This is how you are supposed to upload your videos on YouTube. Now let's say you want to post it on Instagram. Instagram is 1.1, which is the next one you're seeing here, and so on and so forth. So we are going to be working with the YouTube ratio, which is the 16.9 ratio. After we've selected the 16.9, we click on this good sign down here and we are good to go. Guys, in my next video, I'm going to show you how to cover this black background you're seeing at the edges. Like at the right edge and at the left edge of this video, you can see a black background there. I'm going to teach you how to cover it up. It's either you want to blur the background or you want to add images or videos on those black backgrounds you're seeing there. I'm going to teach you in my next video. So guys, don't forget to subscribe and turn on your post notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I drop a new video.